got new parts. I've got my truck isn't all ready yet. I've got my container to take it to Gongleton on Saturday. Just make a base for that, for the truck to sit on, to keep it secure while in transit. Haven't got a turnkey switch yet for the dashboard, which will light up, so I bought a battery box just on a temporary basis. Like, got heat shrink tubing, so when I do the soldering iron and join wires together, I just put some heat shrink on it and it just shrinks up and makes it a tidy job. I don't like using black sticky tape. I've got soldering iron kit, so I've got the stand. Let me out this camera a bit. Using my new gimbal again. I'm using a normal gimbal, but this DJI one's a lot better. Soldering iron. We haven't got solder. It's not the best solder, but I'm only using tiny bits of it for obviously soldering cables together. Got tweezers. They're flipping sharp there. I've already got tweezers, but I can tell they're not expensive. Not even lined up. Well, they're not important, but where the silver bit points are, I've just dabbed a bit of there and put more on this side, so they're not even lined up. Never mind. I'm not going to spend a fortune on a soldering iron because at this point I'm hardly going to use it. Thank you. And the phone goes off. New clippers. I've got other clippers. I've got 2 or 3 sets of them. These came with these are my old ones. I'm still using. These came with when I was doing 3D printing. They're fantastic. They're absolutely fantastic. Oh, and I still got one of Raymond Littler's tools. That's alright, actually. That's still quite useful. Anyway, I don't know what this is. This is let's have a look. The interest of the for interest and for video purposes. I have absolutely no idea what that is. Oh, welding flux. New heat element ends, new tips. Replacement tips, thinner ones, and I'll be just using the one on the end of that. That's fine enough for me. This when we got to get solder off, obviously, but I won't be using that. I might use that if I ever get to putting servo note in, or the bird, I don't know how to say it, SFR1 or something. So I might be using it for that, but currently not using it. I got a net that links onto there somehow. There we go. Just protects it. A holder that goes in. Temperature knob. How well it'll work, I don't know. But yes, it's obviously cheap and nasty, £16, but nevertheless, it'll do the job. Yeah, so these are all heat shrink covers, wiring things. So all colour coded up is quite useful. So maybe for lights I can use yellow and I don't know, we'll see. Something like that. Yeah. And my truck currently in its current state is over there. It's just the side of it. We're getting there with it. That's me done. So in a few minutes now I'm going to start doing work on it. But yes, bye for now.